Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 7875. And this is the creator Backhoe. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my current plan is to do one of these videos a day for the foreseeable future. And I've also done a bunch of these videos already, so if you like them, there's already about 150 or 160 done and up if you want to watch them, and there are more coming. So if you like them, there's a bunch already out there, and there's also more on the way. And there should be a link at the end to the playlist that has all of them on it. Also, if you like this kind of set, if you like this particular set and you want to put it together, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I've also included a link to Brickset if you just want information about this particular set. Now, these little creator sets, I found I really like them. They're just kind of nifty. So let's take a look at this thing, see how it looks. Now, with these vehicles, I really like these little vehicles. And I think maybe it's just, I think maybe it's just the natural extension of my liking the sets that are like the micro sets. I'm guessing, maybe. That's my guess anyway. Let's see. So that takes care of that. And then this goes here. And these two go on the front. Or back. I guess this is going to be the front, right? These go on the front. Like so. And then it goes on there. And then another one right there. And then a pair of 1x2s. Four and five. So lastly, what we do is this goes here, like that, and this goes here, and I'm guessing this goes in there. So that gets us that. Alright, so next what we gotta do is we got to take care of the backhoe arm. And so that right there, and this right here, and like so. This is a cool little set. I'm liking it. I feel like it has a lot of potential. And then this goes on top of these. Wow, this is going to be a kind of a stiff backhoe, because these hinges are serious. Yeah, that's going to be pretty stiff. All right. And so we got one more right here, right there, and right there, like that. And so that takes care of that. Now we just gotta build the backhoe part. So like that, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So like so. And then this clips here. this clips here, and then this clips here, and that gets our backhoe. Kind of cool. Alright, so that takes care of that. And then we put the windows on. So window, window, and window. And this goes on top right here. And then, okay, like so. So this is the dozer blade. And then we just pop on the wheels. Yeah, this is a cool set. Alright. So there you go. It's kind of neat looking. It definitely looks like a backhoe. And you do get some action out of it too. This is cool. Alright, I like this one. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, or if I've done anything super weird, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.